I am going to do word intro cap assessment research. So this is the exam section of word section of my IT lab course. I will do this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. If you want me to do this assignment for you, if you want me to do this complete course for you, just contact me on WhatsApp, email or WeChat ID that I have mentioned in the description of this video. You can hire me for your complete courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology or writing assignment as well. So I will do this assignment. I will solve each and every step in this video and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. So let's start this assignment now. First step of the assignment is to download the file. So this is the Word file where we are supposed to apply all these steps and we will get this assignment done by applying these steps in that file. So I have already downloaded this file. This is the file where we will apply all the steps. So we will get this assignment done. So let's move to step number 2 now. In step number 2, it is saying that apply the slice document theme. Select all the text in the document and change the font to Bookman Old Style. Change the font size to 12 point. Adjust the right and left margin to 1.5. So first we will apply the slice document theme. Then we will select all the text in document and we will apply the Bookman Old Style. So go to the design tab. After going to design tab, we will click on the themes and we will select the slice theme from here. So this is the slice theme. Select it. Now we will select all the text in the document and we will apply Bookman Old Style. So let me look for Bookman Old Style. This is Bookman Old Style. And after this is saying change the fonts to 12 point and adjust right and left margin to 1.5. So we will change the font size to 12 points. This one. And now we will go to the layout tab and click on the margins and custom margins. So we are supposed to change the left and right margins to 1.5. So we are done with step number 2 and now we will move to next step, that is step number 3. So in step number 3 it is saying that insert a header, type items in the left section of the header, insert a right aligned page number, selecting the plain number, close the header. So for this we will go to insert tab and click on the header and click on the edit header. So after edit header we will click on the page number. So we will type the page number in the header and then items that is required. So now we will click on the close the header. So we have inserted the items at the left section and page number at the right section of the header. So that is all about step number 3. And now we will move to next step, that is step number 4. So in step number 4 it is saying that insert a manual page break before the second paragraph on the second page beginning with on behalf of the faculty and staff. So we will go to the second page at second paragraph. So this is second page and this is the second paragraph on behalf of faculty and staff and we are supposed to insert a page break before this one. So click on page break. So we have inserted a page break before this one. So that is all about step number 4. Now we will move to next step, that is step number 5. In step number 5, it is saying that select all text that displays before the newly inserted page break and double space the selected text. Remove any paragraph spacing from the selected text. So we will select all the text before this page break. So we have selected this. Go to paragraph setting. Line spacing should be double and no paragraph spacing before and after. That is required in the instruction. You can see that no paragraph spacing. So we will click OK. So it is double space without any paragraph spacing. So that is all about step number 5. Now we will move to next step, that is step number 6. So in step number 6, it is saying that move to the beginning of the document, press enter, remove the first line indent from the newly inserted page break, add the new paragraph, type statement of purpose and apply bold formatting to the title and center the title. So I will copy this. Also we can type this one. So go to the document, go to the top of the document. Before this we are supposed to press enter. Then we will go back to first paragraph. Then remove the first line indent, make it none. And now we will type this here. Make it bold and center this title. So that is all about step number 6. So we have completed 6 steps for this assignment. I have shown you each and every step. Now we will go to the step number 7. So in step number 7, it is saying that in the second paragraph on the first page, place the insertion point after the period at the end of the sentence that ends with by the University of Arizona. Insert a footnote that reads, the 3 minutes thesis competition is open for all academic disciplines at the university, include the period. So now we are supposed to insert a footnote after the period, after this sentence. Let me first search for this sentence. So this is ending at this one. So we will copy this and we will search this one. So you can see that we have find this one. So click after the period. So now here we are supposed to insert the footnote. Footnote is this one. So I will copy this footnote first. This one. And click on the reference tab and click on the insert footnote and this one. So I have inserted the footnote. After this, we will move to step number 8. In step number 8, it is saying that modify the footnote style, changing the font to Bookman Old Style and the font size to 12 points. Now we are supposed to modify the footnote style. For this, we will right click here and we will go to the style and we will click on modify. So we will select the formatting to Bookman Old Style and font size should be 12 points and click OK. And again click apply. So now this is formatted as Bookman Old Style and 12-point font size. That is all about step number 8. Now we will move to next step, that is step number 9. And step number 9, it is saying that change the word. So we will change this word in the first sentence on the first page to the student. Let's go to the first page. And this is the sentence. We can replace this from here as well. And we can simply delete this one and we can type the student here. So we have replaced this word with the student. That is all about step number 9. So now we will move to next step, that is step number 10. It is saying that insert a footer and type 2022 fall in the footer space, change the footer font to Bookman Old Style and change the footer font to 12-point font size. So we are supposed to insert the footer now. So we will go to insert tab and click on the footer and click on the edit footer. So we will type 2022 fall. So that is what is required. Fall. And now we will select this and we will change the font style to Bookman Old Style, and font size should be 12 points. So we are done with footer section as well. So we have completed 10 steps for this assignment. I have shown you each and every step, and now we will move to next step, that is step number 11. Step number 11 is select all the text on page 4 and 5 and format it in 2 columns. Insert a continuous section break before the word on behalf of the faculty and staff at the top of the 4th page. So we will go to the document, go to page 4. So this is page 4. We will select all the text on page 4 and 5. So we have selected all the text on page 4 and 5, and now we will format this text into 2 columns. So for this we will go to the layout tab and we will click on the columns. After columns, click 2. So we have formatted the text into 2 columns. After that we are supposed to insert a section break before on behalf of the faculty and staff. So for this we will go to the break and we will click on continuous section break. So that is required in step number 11. So we have completed step number 11 as well. Now we will move to next step, that is step number 12. So in step number 12, it is saying that click before the newly inserted section break at the top of the 4th page and change the column setting to 1. Type Welcome to College of Business and press enter twice. Select the Welcome to College of the Business and apply title style. Reduce the size to 22 points. Center the newsletter title. So I will copy this one, or we can also type this one. So now we will go to before the section break. Change the column setting to 1. Type this one. After typing this one, press enter twice. So now we will select this one and we will apply the title style to this one. This is title style, and now change the font size to 22 points and center the title. So that is required in step number 12, and we have completed step number 12 as well. So now we will move to a next step, that is step number 13. So in step number 13, it is saying that add a bottom border with a weight of 1/2 to the text Welcome to the College of Business. So we are supposed to add a bottom border to this. Select this one, go to the border and shading and select none. So weight should be 1/1. So now we will again click on it and we will click on the bottom border. So we have selected, or we have inserted a bottom border to the Welcome to the College of Business. So we have completed this step, that is step number 13, and now we will move to next step, that is step number 14. So in step number 14, it is saying that place the insertion point before the word the College of Business at the beginning of the second body paragraph on the 4th page. Insert the university.jpg picture downloaded with the project. Change the picture style to reflected rounded rectangle. Resize the picture height to 1 and select square text wrapping. So first we will insert this picture. For this we will go to the second page, second paragraph on the 4th page, the College of Business. Then click on the insert tab, and after clicking on the insert tab, select this device, and now we will select the picture from here. So this is the picture we are supposed to insert. So insert this picture, and now we are supposed to apply the reflected rounded rectangular picture style. And after that, we will change the height of the picture to 1. So we have changed the height of the picture to 1. And now we will apply the square text wrapping to this one. So we will apply the square text wrapping. So we have applied the square text wrapping to the picture. So that is all required in step number 14. So we have completed 14 steps for this assignment, and now we will move to our next step, that is step number 15. So in step number 15, it is saying that place the insertion point after the period ending the first paragraph on the second page ending upon graduation. Press enter, remove the first line indent, insert a 2 column by 6 row table, change the width of the second column to 1. So basically we have inserted, we are supposed to insert a table. So first we will go to this paragraph after upon graduation, and we will press enter and will insert this table, that is 2 column 6 row table, and we will change the width of second column to 1. So let's do this step now. So first we will look for this one, upon graduation. So here this one. So click after this one. After clicking, click enter, and now we will remove the first line indent. Remove this, and now we will insert a table. Go to insert tab and click on the table and click on insert tab. So it should have 2 columns and 6 rows. So we have inserted the table, and now we will enter the data. So in first cell of the first row, type the course. So we are supposed to type course here, and then we will type grade in the second cell of the first row. So type it here. So we have, so next thing is we will enter this data. So I will keep copying and will be pasting there. So copy this one. Then the second one. Then third one. After that, the fourth one. And last one is here. And now it's A, B, B, and A again. So it's A, B, B, A. So we have added all the data to the table. That is all about step number 16. So now we will move to a next step, that is step number 17. So basically this assignment have 26 steps, and I am doing step number 17 now. So it is saying that insert a new row above the row, first row in the table. Merge all the cells in the row 1 and type merge major courses completed. So I will copy this one and go to the table and insert a row above the first row. So insert above and merge cells, and we will type this one here. And noticing that apply line center alignment to row 1, apply a table style of grid table 4 accent 6. So first we will apply the center alignment to this one. Go to alignment tab and click on align center. So it is aligned center now. Now we will apply the table style of grid table 4 accent 6. So where is grid table 4 accent 6? Grid table 4 accent 6 is here. So this one. And center the table horizontally. So now we will center the table horizontally. So I have centered the table horizontally. So that is, and now we will change the width of column 2 to 1 because I forgot that. that was required in step number 15. So let me change the width of column 1. So now after that we are supposed to do step number 18. So in step number 18 it is saying that insert the row above the first row in the table, merge all the cells in the first row and type major courses. So I have done this step, you can see that, and after that we will move to next step, that is step number 18. Insert the caption below the table. The caption should read table 1 major courses completed by the University of Arizona. So we will insert the caption to the table, select the table, and then go to the references and insert caption. We are supposed to insert the caption below the table. So we will caption here, and now center the caption as well. So we have inserted the caption. So I have solved 18 steps for this assignment. So we are done with step number 18. So basically I have solved 18 steps for this assignment in this video. I did each and every step. I have shown you step by step how can you complete this assignment by watching this video. But if you want me to do this assignment, I can do this assignment for you. I can do this complete course for you. Now I am going to give you an overview of the final version, when you will apply just 3 to 4 steps that I have left in this video. So this will be the final version of this assignment. First page having a header on it, items and the name, page number, then the title of the report, that is statement of purpose, having a custom watermark on it in blue color, that is with the text of copy, this one, having a footer on first page, and having a footnote on the first page. This one is the footnote that we have applied after the University of Arizona. Let me show you this one. So this is the footnote, this one. So, and a footer as well. So this is page number 2, that will have a table on it, and there is a caption below the table. So I have done this one as well. So this is page number 3, and now on page number 4 we will have a title, welcome to the College of Business, having a bottom border, this one, this is the bottom border, then a picture, that is university, and this is formatted as rounded rectangle and square text wrapping. So this is next page, and we will shade this paragraph with the red accent 6, lighter 60%. So after mail merge process, this document will be converted into 15 pages. So this is what we have gotten after mail merge process. So I have done this assignment. I shown you step by step. You can do this assignment by watching this video, but if you want me to do this assignment for you, you can contact me and I will do this assignment for you. You can hire me for your other courses like accounting management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, or writing assignment as well. You can hire me for the Excel assignment, PowerPoint assignment as well. So I will produce best grade for you. I have done this assignment maximum time, and I have done this course for hundreds of students. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, just contact me and I will do this assignment for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another video. Thank you so much again.